All right, it's February 26th, and it's about 44 degrees, 44, 43 degrees out. I've got 24 gallons of sap in the bucket right here. This is a frozen block of sap. I put it in one of our small containers that you see in my videos. I'm gonna replace this frozen sap with some of this liquid, so it's an equal amount going in and coming out. We're gonna see how long this is going to last, keeping my sap cold. I might have a run tomorrow to add to this, but we'll see. I can boil once we get about 40 gallons. I want to save the sap for 2, maybe 3 days. Tomorrow I'll come out at 12 o'clock. It's 11:45 now. See what that block looks like, and we'll add some more sap to it, and I'll keep you guys posted. Now I'm going to take this, wrap it up in the tarp that I have, as well as a moving carpet or a moving rug that you can buy at Harbor Freight, which is where I bought it a couple of years ago. This works if you want to keep your sap from freezing as well. These barrels are excellent, 50 gallons each. All right, we'll see what it looks like tomorrow at 12 o'clock and how long this thing will last as I get more sap into it. So there you have it. It's 4:30 on Thursday. Well over 24 hours. I'm going to add another block of sap to this and replace the one that I have here. Hopefully by the time we get another run, which would be another day and a half, possibly 2 days, this will still stay fresh. So far so good. Number 2 going in Thursday, 4:30. There we go. And I'm going to refill this bucket. We'll get this one frozen. We'll have one more to go. Again, hopefully we'll get a good run in. I get at least 40 gallons and I can start a nice boil. Today is Saturday. It's about 12 o'clock. On Thursday, I dropped a second sap block in here. So Thursday afternoon, around 4:30, 5 o'clock, I put a sap block in here. It's now Saturday, so it's been Thursday, Friday into Saturday. We're going to take a look and see what temperature we have. And I've got another sap block over here ready to go in. I'm hoping that this sap is in good shape for a boil. So this was on Wednesday. This one was on Thursday. Today is Saturday. I did not put anything in on Friday. Our sap is at about 36 degrees. That's what it's been held at. It still looks like it's pretty clear. So that's how it works when you're using sap blocks in these barrels. So in my opinion, this is the best way to store your sap in barrels or containers that you can seal and cover up. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments how you're taking care of your sap and what kind of season are you having. 2025. It's been a crappy season up here in Connecticut so far. I'm hoping we'll get some boiling done. I'm sure we will, but I usually have, by this point, at least 2 or 3 boils under our belt. We'll see what happens. Thanks for tuning in. Smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. I really appreciate it. We'll see you soon.